whoa. Wait a minute. We can't forget about the intro. What are y'all doing? Y'all already trying to go into the video? Come on. What's up, guys? It's your boy Z. Welcome to the W204 channel, and welcome to the Up to No Good squad. How y'all doing? Real quick. Awesome meet. First one of the year. It was up at the Mallside Motor Speedway. A motorsports store. It was crazy. Good food, good vibes, good peoples, and good cars. If you like what you seen, you already know what to do. I ain't gonna, chit chat your ears off too much longer. But yeah, come on. What y'all waiting for? Let's come on, get to the video, man.
I was gonna say, look at this Camaro. This shit's low.
That's what I would have.
Yeah.
36. They got a
Only one negative thing.
No, this is what I call a game. Bro, look at this building. Yeah. And it's pink on the
I
inside.
know.
That shit's hard. They probably put a lot of money on this motherfucker. Bro, this nigga has 16 on his inspection.
Pops, is this yours? It's a little updated, but like it's literally same year model, make, and everything. I don't know. This look like it might be yours.
You're really not. To turbo that car properly. I'm talking, you can.
Where do y'all think y'all going? What? Y'all thought you thought it was over? Yeah, technically it kind of is, but I just wanted to touch base with y'all real quick. Now the next car meets that we go to and that we put up will be a lot longer. In the comments down below, let me know what you want to see. You know, communicate. Let me know, and I'll bring it to you guys. If you like the content, and if you're new, for y'all, you know, for y'all newcomers, welcome. Thank you for taking the time out of your day. If you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, I didn't have no footage of him, so yeah, but here it is right now. Go follow my boy. You know what I'm saying? He into the shit too. You know, he get crazy. Go check him out. Go show some love. And like always, hope y'all like what y'all see. Peace.